Major relief has arrived for some H1B employers and foreign workers after a U.S. appeals court refused to pause a lower court ruling that struck down the controversial $100,000 H1B payment requirement. The $100,000 payment was introduced through a Trump administration proclamation in September 2025. Importantly, it did not apply to every H1B case. It generally targeted certain petitions filed for beneficiaries outside the United States who required consular processing before entering the country. Workers already in the U.S. seeking extensions or changes of status were exempt. On June 8th, a lower federal court invalidated the payment requirement, finding that the administration lacked clear statutory authority to impose such a major financial burden through executive action. The government then asked the First Circuit Court of Appeals to keep the payment requirement in place while it appealed. But on July 24th, the appeals court refused. That means the lower court's decision can currently take effect, and USCIS should not assess the $100 million payment on H1B petitions covered by the ruling. However, this legal battle is not over. The appeals court did not make a final ruling on whether the policy itself is lawful. The Trump administration's appeal remains pending, and other related cases are also moving through federal courts. Another major question involves employers who already paid the $100,000. The current court decisions do not establish whether those payments will be refunded. For Indian H-1B applicants, especially those going through consular processing, the immediate development is positive, but employers should watch for updated USCIS filing instructions before proceeding. So remember, the $100,000 payment is currently blocked, but the final legal outcome could still change.